In this video, we'll dive into a head-to-head comparison of these two popular help desk platforms and see which one truly stands out. You've probably heard a lot of buzz about both Zendesk and LiveAgent, and if you're searching for the best help desk software for your business, you've probably wondered which one will suit your needs the best. Let's start with Zendesk, which is one of the most well-known platforms out there. Zendesk offers a range of tools for customer support, including ticketing, live chat, email support, and social media integration. It's known for its scalability, making it a great choice for large businesses and enterprise-level operations. However, one of its biggest drawbacks is its pricing. While it can handle large volumes of tickets, Zendesk can be quite expensive, especially for smaller businesses or startups. Plus, some users report that its interface can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started with help desk software. Next thing, let's talk about LiveAgent. LiveAgent is known for being user-friendly and cost-effective, offering a variety of features like ticketing, live chat, call center support, and social media integration. Its pricing is much more reasonable than Zendesk, and it's often praised for its ease of use. However, LiveAgent has its own set of downsides. For one, while it's easy to get started with, some users find the reporting and analytics a bit lacking. Additionally, its ticketing system can be a little less advanced compared to Zendesk's, especially if you're managing large teams with a high volume of inquiries. The third thing we need to consider is integrations. Both Zendesk and LiveAgent support a wide range of integrations with third-party apps, like CRMs and other business tools. However, Zendesk has a broader selection of integrations, which could be a significant advantage if you're already using a lot of other tools and need seamless compatibility. On the other hand, LiveAgent still has a decent list of integrations, but doesn't have quite as many options as Zendesk. Now, let's move on to customer support itself. Zendesk offers 24/7 customer support with multiple channels, including live chat, email, and phone support. It's a great option for businesses that need to provide constant support around the clock. LiveAgent, however, also offers excellent customer support, but does not offer phone support on all plans, which could be a deal breaker for businesses that rely on phone support to handle customer issues. The fifth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. This is an area where Zendesk shines. Zendesk provides robust analytics tools that give businesses deep insights into their customer support operations, making it easier to spot trends, optimize workflows, and improve performance. LiveAgent, while decent, doesn't offer the same depth of reporting capabilities. If detailed analytics are critical to your business operations, Zendesk is the better option. The sixth thing, performance and speed. In terms of speed, LiveAgent has a slight edge here. It's known for its fast, responsive interface, which means you can get things done quickly without the software slowing you down. Zendesk, while powerful, can be a bit slower, especially for larger teams with tons of data. Now, I've laid out the key differences, and while both Zendesk and LiveAgent are solid help desk solutions, I want to be upfront. After trying both of these platforms myself, I think there's a better alternative out there that might be more suited to your needs. These tools are good, but if you want a solution that truly delivers on ease of use, cost effectiveness, and strong performance across all areas, ticketing, reporting, support, and integrations, there's one platform I think is a clear winner. If you want to take advantage of a free trial and get access to the best benefits exclusively for our viewers, check out the first link in the description. I promise you won't regret it, and this offer won't last long.